Hello dear students, welcome to today's session. Today we will practice present perfect tense. Students, we are going to practice present perfect tense through this assignment. This assignment has two questions. The first question is fill the correct form of the verbs using present perfect tense, and question number 2 is change the sentences of question number 1 into their negative and interrogative forms. Students, before doing this assignment, let us recall the rule of present perfect tense. We use has or have as a helping verb along with the third form of the verb. If our subject is I, you or any of the plurals, then we use have as helping verb, and if our subject is third person in singular form, then we use has as helping verb. So now let us start with our assignment. Complete the given sentences with the present perfect form of the verbs given in brackets. A part is I can't find my umbrella, somebody dash it, and the given action word is take. Now students, what type of subject is somebody? This is third person singular, and with third person singular, which helping verb we are going to use? Has. What is the third form of the verb take? Taken. So what will be our answer? Has taken. And the sentence will be somebody has taken it. Let us move to B part. We are looking for Lata. Dash you dash her. Now students, this part is in interrogative form, and we know that in interrogative sentences the sentence starts with the helping verb. Now look at the subject. The subject is you, and with you which verb we will use according to present perfect tense? Yes, we will use have. What is the third form of the verb see? It is seen. So our answer is have seen. So the sentence will be have you seen her? C part, I dash some gorgeous jewelry. Now with I we will use have. Now the verb given in brackets is buy. What is the third form of the verb buy? It is bought. So our answer is have bought. The sentence will be I have bought some gorgeous jewelry. Let us move to our next part. I know that girl, but I dash her name. The given verb is forget. Now again our subject is I, and with I we use have. The third form of verb forget is forgotten. Children, nowadays we can use forgot also as third form of the verb forget. So I have forgotten her name. Jeet is not at home. He dashed for fishing with his grandfather. The given action word is go. Now with he, what will we use? Has or have? Yes, we will use has. The third form of the verb go is gone. So our answer is has gone, and the sentence will be he has gone for fishing with his grandfather. Now let us move to our second question. The question is change the sentences of question number 1 into their negative and interrogative forms. Students, in this question I have taken the parts of the sentence that were having blanks only. I have not taken the full part. I have taken the sentence which was having blank. So let us start now. The first part is somebody has taken my umbrella. Students, whenever we make a negative sentence from an affirmative sentence which is having direct helping verb, we just put a word not after the helping verb. Now in this sentence, our helping verb is has. So when we will convert this sentence into its interrogative form, we will put not after the helping verb has. So our negative sentence will be somebody has not taken my umbrella. Let us convert the affirmative sentence into its interrogative form. Now students, when we convert an affirmative sentence into its interrogative form, we write the helping verb in the beginning of the sentence, then we write the subject, then we write the helping verb, and after that we write the remaining part of the predicate. Now our sentence is somebody has taken my umbrella. Its interrogative sentence will be has somebody taken my umbrella, and we put a question mark at the end of an interrogative sentence. Students, we have to do all the parts like this only. B part is have you seen her? Now this sentence is in interrogative form. Now we have to convert it into its negative form. So we will put the word not after the subject because this sentence is in interrogative form. Have you not seen her? Now we cannot convert this sentence into its interrogative form because it is already in interrogative form. Let us move to C part. I have bought some gorgeous jewelry. So the negative sentence will be I have not bought some gorgeous jewelry. Now if we have to convert the affirmative sentence into its interrogative form, we will write have at first, then we will write subject I, then the remaining sentence. So interrogative sentences, have I bought some gorgeous jewelry? The next part is I have forgotten her name. Again students, if we have to convert this sentence into negative form, we have to write not after the helping verb. So the negative sentence will be I have not forgotten her name. Let us convert this sentence into its interrogative form. We will write have at first. Have I forgotten her name? The next part is he has gone for fishing with his grandfather. Now what will be the negative sentence? Yes, it will be he has not gone for fishing with his grandfather. Now let us convert this sentence into its interrogative form. Yes, we will start our sentence with the helping verb has. Has he gone for fishing with his grandfather? So students, this way you can convert an affirmative sentence which is in present perfect form into its negative or its interrogative form. Hope you must have understood. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.